Today, we've got a hands-on tutorial that's going to be a game changer for you. How to change file type extensions. Locate the test cases text file that you want to change the file type extension. Add .pdf to the end of the file name. To confirm the file type change, press Alt plus Enter. Look for the Type of File section in the General tab. Still it is showing .txt file type extension. Go to the Windows search bar. Type File Explorer Options. And click. In the File Explorer Options window, navigate to the View tab. Uncheck the Hide Extensions for known file types off and apply the changes. Click on any file, and notice that the file extension is now visible. This ensures you can easily identify the file type. Now, you can confidently change the extension of any file.